Binuksan ng asawa ko yung order ko. This is for Emmy. Binuksan niya yung order ko. What is this? Kailangan ako ng radio, guys. Namili ako ng Baofeng radio. Ito lang. Ayan. Baofeng radio. Radio, guys, kasi if ever sa Pinas. May pang-saksak, mayroong charger, mayroong mas-surprise ang asawa ko nito. Kasi in-order ko lang to for unbox. Ipagka-try ko to sa kanya mamaya. Kasi diba, mahirap sa Pinas kung walang ano. This is for us.
That's it, I found what I was looking for. Actually.
That's big.
But I've lost the light.
Mm.
I might get a chance to do some in the morning.
Saan ko ba yung open na dito? Ayan. Kasi mamaya ako na to open sa kanila. Yan. Tapos ito, for emergency, yung mayroon kang saksakan, mayroon kang ilaw, na pwede mo rin i-charge sa van. Kasi mayroon kami van dito. Meron din kaming ano sa Pinas. So, madala-dala namin to.
We're at the van too long, aren't we?
Yeah. 3 hours. More.
Quarter
Four?
to 12.
Shit. 4 hours. I get cold in that chair waiting there.
Yeah, I think probably. Anyway, I've got work tomorrow now.
Huh? You going to work tomorrow?
I've got work tomorrow, yeah, that's what I've changed all the appointments. I've got work tomorrow.
Morning.
10 o'clock, and then a whole Wednesday.
Charger. Tapos
That's
ano?
what they messaged me. And so I thought, well, I'll phone up the garage first and said I'm booked in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can I come Wednesday morning? And he went, yeah, no problem. So have a look.
Cute. Eh.
Is that for the Philippines?
Uy, very light. If ever. Yeah. Then we can charge this. Oh, what's that? Red light?
Amber.
Huh?
Orange. Amber.
Amber. Oh, the other side. Oh, it's not. Lighting. Oh, never mind. And then there is a solar. And then where's the charger? Ayan, here. You can charge.
Yeah.
This is the charger. And then as well, you can charge to your phone from it. Yeah. But only one. Wait a minute, hon.
No, it's alright, Mum's putting it on here. Look, the sugar's on, my feet are hot.
So, this one. Can you charge into my phone?
My feet are hot.
Let's
I
see.
think we could tea.
Ah, charging. charger na. So at least we have this something light to use when we are just for the emergency. Something like. Isn't it, honey?
Yeah.
But we have to put it in our luggage, not in hand carry.
Okay. Blicky heck.
Automatic shut.
Okay.
See, that's why I like it here, ordering it here, because
Thank you very much for bringing them in. Thank you. You're very best.
the cover of the solar needs to take off.
Leave it
Plastic.
on. Leave it
So
on.
you can have a little trough
Okay.
and then up to
When we are in the Philippines.
Now you're thinking, any more ideas? No, not so. Fine.
Simon valued the pig salt and pepper sugars between 30 and 50, which is, I think, a really great price.
Very good.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Really good, thank you. Well, welcome to the living room. And what's your name?
I do not use this in the airplane. No,
Did you do the
I
honours?
just leave it in the thing, you know.
Oh, they're adorable, aren't they? They are, okay. A little piggy. Oh, okay. Can I jump up in the water?
Yeah, definitely.
Can take it back.
Yeah.
They are actually loving the salt and pepper comes out with you. They are so cute. Any idea on a designer or maker?
I'm not sure on like designer or anything. I know that I
Yes,
think
thank you. Bye bye.